SOLIDWORKS Treehouse 2019 delivers some fantastic new capabilities for creating and managing assembly structures. When viewing large assemblies that contain many branches, the new setting to control the display of file images for each node is a great way of maximizing the amount of screen area available. Using a new toggle in the Options dialog box, file images can be hidden or shown, giving you more control over how your assemblies are displayed. Traditionally, Treehouse has always used the file name to identify each node in the structure. Now in Treehouse 2019, you can use any available custom property as the display name instead. The majority of parts in the turret hub assembly have been saved using a part number. Let's switch the display name to use the description property to make it even easier to identify each component in the structure. Adding new items to an assembly is quick and easy. A simple drag and drop is all that's required to add a new part to the turret axle subassembly. In Treehouse 2019, you can now create custom properties and apply values to new and pre-existing files without having to open them in SOLIDWORKS. This is yet another powerful way Treehouse helps you manage your critical design information. Exporting to Microsoft Excel is a great way of sharing assembly structure information outside of the design department. In Treehouse 2019, you can now include the component graphical preview images, which provide even greater clarity, reducing the risk of misidentifying parts. In SOLIDWORKS 2019, Treehouse provides you with even greater flexibility when creating and managing assembly structures.